What if your dev team could build healthcare apps like it was 2025 already? Meet Genius, Helix Beat's cloud-native developer playground, now at Google Next. Cut your healthcare dev time by 40%. HIPAA-ready. FHIR-friendly. API happy. Still stitching together 9 tools and 2 platforms? That's cute. What if your next product demo came with a HIPAA badge and 0 bugs? Genius is already powering smart health builds across clinics, apps, and APIs. And yes, it's live right now at Google Next. Catch up with our team or search Genius Helix Beat. We're not just cloud-ready, we're future-proof. Genius by Helix Beat. Build healthcare better.